Hello and welcome from the Efteling, where our accommodation is going to be, I've got what it's called now, Bosrijk. So there's a number of different accommodations you can stay in while you're at the Efteling. There's the Efteling Hotel, which was ruled out by Robin as we passed it, on the basis that it looks like it has dogs' genitals on the top of it. There's Lunchland, which is probably the cheapest one, and we've gone for Bosrijk, which is kind of like a holiday village really, with a number of different accommodations on there. So there's lodges on there, and then there's different hotels as well. There's a lake in the middle, which looks absolutely stunning as well, and themed absolutely beautifully, as imagine, with the Efteling as well. So I'll show you through that as we explore the rest of the grounds here at Efteling Bosrijk village.
Dankjewel voor die mooie bossen er mooie bossen er. Wauw. En toen Vosje klaar was met het vertellen van de droom, begonnen alle dieren te applaudisseren. Ja, want iedereen had nu gehoord wat het droom. De droom was van het Vosje. Ja, nou. En ik had het opgeschreven. En dat kun je.
Just an example of some of the lovely themes. There's some of the lodges there that are right on the lake. Well, absolutely beautiful. Especially on an evening like tonight. So it's been really, really warm today. Really busy in the park. Coming back and somewhere like that would be absolutely beautiful. I'm sure it'd be the prices to match. I didn't really see the prices for those, to be honest with you, because I imagine it'd be quite expensive. And that looks incredible, doesn't it? So beautiful, this place. It just feels like you could be in the middle of nowhere. And you kind of get the impression, seeing these lodges, kind of what Alton Towers were going for with their woodland lodges. Obviously they don't have the space to be able to do what the Efteling have done, because they've just got masses of space here. And the park's so vast. So one thing you've got to do when you're here is, because you can't park the car outside where you're staying, so what you have to do is you have to bring, you can bring the car in to drop your cases off. So I've dropped the cases off, I've taken the car back to the car park, which is free parking for if you're staying in the hotel. Take the car back to the car park and then you get a short walk back, which I've been told about 5 or 6 minutes, to the accommodation of where we're actually staying. But it's a beautiful walk, especially tonight as well, because it's so warm and lovely, so the sun's going down. So similar to Alton Towers, there's the wood lodge. There's all little play areas for the kids to play in, which is really good. So you can see some of the accommodations, the lodges that you can stay in while you're here, which is lovely too. And there's one of the ones that one of the bigger hotels that you can actually stay in. I think that's actually the one we're staying in. I'll just go down the front of it, because I think that's our one. You can see the castle turret theming just on the other side there. It looks lovely, doesn't it? And I'll take you inside. The tunnel here. It really does look stunning. And there it is. If anyone's interested, this particular building is called Landhuys. It's a big bit of accommodation. Absolutely stunning. Let's go inside and have a look. It's a bit weird in here. Is anyone that's stayed in like any of the Merlin hotels or Disney, you'll notice that the lifts are normally really well themed. In here, you've just got weird wood panelling, which just looks a little bit odd. It's not bad, but you just expect more in a lift in a well-themed place like Efteling. And here's the hallway. It's absolutely lovely. Looks really, really nice. Here, coming down, coming to our room. We're staying in room 745. So here we go. There's the Efteling key. Let's go along there. Oh, drop the card. And then here we go. Wave for everybody. As you do. So in here, this is our lovely room in Bosrijk, Efteling. There's our lovely bed, good size that. Looks like it's 2 singles put together. It's a nice welcome. We've got some little gifts in there. Oh, Casper, do you want to see what those gifts are? And there's some things in there as well. Looks like some toys for you. Do you want to have a look what they are and show me? Nice lovely sitting area, lovely leather couch. Nice view out to the Efteling wildlife. There's a lovely little game to play here. Here's Casper and Eden's room, or Casper's room. He gets a little book as well. Looker Slappen by Klaas Volk. And he gets a nightcap as well.
Careful that you should wear that, Casper.
Yeah, definitely have to wear that. Look at that. Lovely nightcap. And his lovely Efteling bedding as well that's in there. How'd you find this, Cass?
Got a book.
Yeah. Lovely pictures. Nice wardrobe. Eden likes it. Yeah. So I'll have a look in the other rooms. It's a nice bathroom here. Oh yeah. Full size bath. In the shower. Everything you need. It's good. And the toilet is separate, which is a bit of a win as well. So if you're having a shower, it means that you can go to the toilet as well. And that is the room here at Bosrijk, Efteling. And there's Casper's nightcap that he gets. How cool is that?
Good.
Right, just need to check out some of the rest of the hotel now. There is the reception and the store as well. I've got loads of knickknacks and stuff in there. If you come over here, you can see the park plan. So that's how vast it actually is at Bosrijk. And there's all different things available here that you can do. Which is it's a massive, massive place, holiday village. And as I was mentioning earlier on, I mentioned about the sandcastle, but what that actually is, that is the where the Sandman lives. So in terms of the nightcap that you get for free, that's where he lives, and he comes and helps you with your sleep when you're here. So that is the Sandman's castle, which is interesting and nice bit of theming. And we were staying up here at Landhuys, it's called. So that is Efteling Bosrijk.